These AI papercraft videos are exploding on social media right now and pulling in millions of views. And the best part, this niche is completely unsaturated, so there are high chances of your growth. Let me show you how to make these in just 2 minutes. First, open the document link provided in the description. Here you will find this master prompt. Copy the whole prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt in and hit send. Then GPT will provide us 10 different video ideas to choose from. For example, I am going with third one. Then GPT will provide us a highly detailed storyboard image prompt and a video prompt that is designed to animate this storyboard. Copy the storyboard image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, select image mode and choose your desired settings. Paste the prompt in the prompt box and hit enter. Wait a few seconds and your storyboard image is ready. Now, it's time to turn your storyboard into a video. Go back to GPT, copy the video prompt. Return to Google Flow, choose video mode, and add this image to prompt. Select Omni Flash as your video model. Select video duration to 10 seconds. Paste the prompt in prompt box and click generate. Wait a few seconds and your papercraft video will be ready. You can create endless variations using this with any idea you like. If this video helped you, like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.